If you want to see how I laid my electric from the shop to the house, click the link for the video. But in this video, it's time to hook it up to the house. There were two things I wanted to fix while doing this. One is there was no insulation on this part of the wall, so we were going to put in new insulation, and two, there was 2 layers of drywall actually stacked on each other, which caused the breaker box panel cover to not fit quite right. So of course I forgot to measure to where this little hole would be in between one of these. Thankfully it is below this section here, so what I'm going to try to do is measure down enough to where that would actually be towards the top of the hole that I want to make. I wanted to do a little test fit sizing before cutting into the siding. I used 2 of these LB boxes to provide the sharp turn to fit in the wall and also to provide access to the electric line. I added this side conduit 90 for an electric line that would be going to our fire pit. I'm going to get creative when putting this in with the other one and use a clamp. Now this end is removable, so I'll be able to stick it through this one and take off the plate on the other one, stick it up through all the way, and then put this back on. So then when I want to really glue it together and make sure both this point and that point is touching, I'll just have this in there and clamp them together real tight, let them sit for a little while. Should work all right. I am in no way claiming to be a drywall finisher, so don't judge me by the poor job that you see. Now I have a basic understanding of electrical circuitry and simple different wiring hookups, but thankfully I had a cousin-in-law that came over and is a very knowledgeable electrician that was able to help me get everything connected up properly. And so now with all our wires connected up, we have the shop power wires, the red and black, going to the 100 amp breaker, which is sending 100 amps out there. And then we have the white neutral wire coming up on the left side and looping up around the top to our neutral bar. And then on the right side, we have our green ground wire coming up and going over to our ground bar.